Listen to the word evidence. You need that because your conscious mind, right, the ego wants to see stuff, and your subconscious mind will adapt to it. So here's what you should do. Whenever you write something, you have to write it as if it already happened. You can write it in the present, or you can write it in the past. I've written stuff down before, and I've done it with the past technique. The present is good in the past, but I think the past is more powerful, and I'll show you what I mean by that. Okay? Now, once you do it that way, here is what happens now. You title it your evidence journal, right? So now your mind is looking for evidence. So if you are already in this stuff, you're going to see a lot of signs. So when you go to write in your evidence journal the signs you see daily. I see 7-7. I see this. Remember, nothing is a coincidence. So you're building up an evidence for your ego so it can diminish. So your ego says, okay, yeah, you're seeing signs. Here's part 2. When you write something down, write it as if it happened. And I'll give an example. I'm going to say, man, you go right, say, I remember when I manifested such and such. It felt so good when I manifested that new car. See that? It was the best experience when I manifested my dream job. I remember the day clearly when I walked in and I received that such and such. That's the past. Okay? That's how you're going to write it down. So you have to remember that. And you have to remember to be open-minded. So I want to share a powerful method with you that I may have talked about a lot, but it's very powerful. And it's called scripting, or writing it down. Logical. So as far as your subconscious is concerned, that already happened. You write it down. And when you go read it, you're convincing your subconscious this already happened. But Mark, there's a problem. My ego knows that this didn't happen.